Damn, Missy Mari got beats.
Hello guys, so today 6th day doing this Balik Alindog at pound for pound workout, and let's do this. Let's start the first workout. So first would be warming up for 30, doing the stairs 30, back and forth. Okay na, done. That's all 30. The same as always, jumping rope for 4 minutes.
4 minutes later.
So guys, I'm done with the jumping rope. And next. I'm not going to do those workouts, so just them. I have my own workout today, and it's all about biceps. So guys, I'm going to do this one that Coach's been doing. So it's just a 5-second rest. I'm going to do a 20 repetitions of this one. You done, Coach? You done? Oh, not yet. That will be 20, okay guys? I can do that. I can do this. This is truly a bicep Wednesday. Let me introduce you my idol. Oh, idol ako na. Idol ako na ba? Oh, grabe kinakakusgan ba? Grabe Oh. So I've got a long break. So this is the secret of Coach for having a good 6-pack abs. My God, guys, it's too tiring, the bicep workout, and I'm not complaining. I'm just voicing what I'm feeling right now, and nothing will happen if I don't do my best. And early, get my arms straight. Ready na. Go. Best exercise ever! Gym. The dumbbell thing, I've done it for about 2 workouts now. That's for about 3 sets of 12, and it's now killing my arms badly, so I need to endure just 1 more set and I'm done. So guys, I'm done with the biceps, and I'm going to do the core workout right now. Just gonna ask Coach. Then after that, I'm good to go. I'm done with all the workouts today. So this will be the end of my video, and see you in the next video. So Kadush, bye, and see you in the next video.